Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats, keyless start. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.